At this time of year, many of us get gifts, boxes of chocolates, or even biscuits. Ooh, I love a good biscuit. I'll tell you what else I love. A good tin. These are incredibly practical to have in your greenhouse or workshop for storing screws, nails, wires, twines, and all sorts of bits and pieces, whether you're a DIYer or even a gardener. But what I like as a gardener is what's inside. And that is these. Oh, there's some biscuits left in that one. Look at that. The office didn't eat them all. Oh, I take that's what's left for me out of the old tin. That'll be right. Anyway, these little compartments in here, don't throw them away. You can reuse them. And the good thing that you can do, anything that you can reuse or give a second life to, plastics is always the better. So with this here, I spike a few little holes just at the bottom of the compartment. I'm using a little bodger here, but you can use, the end of a knife or a fork or a screwdriver to actually penetrate a hole. And as you can notice, I've got a little bit of cardboard underneath, which gives a soft cushion to be able to penetrate, so the hole makes it all the way through. Because these are going to be perfect to help me grow something on the kitchen windowsill. So they've all got their individual compartments. I'm just going to say, I'll take my gloves off. I like the feel of fresh compost in my hands. And then I'm going to fill the little compartments with peat-free compost. And you can fill all of them because there's many different types of seeds that you can grow and germinate in these little cells. Cress are perfect. This is part of my range with Mr. Fothergill's. The cress, sprinkle some cress seed into that one to grow. I could even do a few chives in this one. I could do a bit of basil in that one. I could do a little bit of parsley in that one. I pretty much think you're getting the picture. And you can put a little bit of seed in, grow this, eat it, enjoy it, and then the seed that you've saved in the package, you can just keep redoing and doing. And of course the biscuits are great because if you get generous people who give you 2 layers, you do in fact have another layer to grow more. So kitchen windowsills are great for growing your own. Save biscuit compartments and adapt them into your own growing containers.